Hi there, welcome to our channel. And if you want to overlay one photo on another on Samsung Galaxy phones, then this video is for you. First, you have to go to gallery and select the photo that you want to use to overlay one photo on another easily. So you just need to click on that photo once. If you found it like this, you just need to click on it other one to find the navigation bar where you will find the pencil icon. Simply tap on it to edit this photo, and in this section you will find a sticker icon or a emoji icon. Here simply tap on it. Now you will find stickers. From here you will find a gallery icon right behind the right side of the clock icon. Here you just need to click on this, and here you'll find the plus icon. Simply tap on it. Now you just need to tap on an image that you want to add on this photo, on the previous photo. Now it has just removed the background of that photo and captured the obstacles on that photo. You can simply tap on next to add this photo without background. You can see, or if you want to add a photo with background, then you just need to simply tap on it, tap next, and tap from not like this. You just need to tap on it, and then you just need to reselect. You tap on reselect, and you just need to tap on shape, and make sure you can set it to this triangle, rectangle, and to select this image. You just need to expand this shape over this image to select all the image. Then simply tap on next, and it will select all the image with the background, and simply click on done. And here you can see you can increase the size of this image on that previous image, and you can add it to the previous image. Now simply save it, and it will add on the previous image, and it will look like this. And you can also add this image, the last image, without background on the previous image that I have shown you previously on this video. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.